quite the night. Quite the day now. Can you see it? Snowing. Got about 4 inches of heavy wet snow overnight. It's still coming down, and we got a train coming south. No idea what power or what they got, but it's coming through Iron Mountain right now. I'm gonna sit in my car here and try to stay dry, I guess you could say. Anyway, snow's falling in my car, so we better close that back up. How are you guys doing today? Hope you had a chance to watch that video I put out. Oh, I see a train. Better go. Oh yeah, got a train. Short one. Huh. Short one. Unfortunately, because of the weather, I am not going to chase this. It's just not, it's not safe, not worth it. I'm not going to do it. ELS 402 and 503. Look at all that snow up front. Wow. They must have went through some major drifts this morning. Too bad I can't follow along and find them going through some other big drifts, but yeah, it's just not safe. There's no place to sit right now because, you know, they just haven't quite got out the plow yet. It's really wet, heavy snow, and it's just messy to be driving in, so all I can ask is for you to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. And again, if you are interested in ski jumping, there's a few videos out there for you to watch. Alright guys, have a great day, hey? How much snow are we gonna get?